What'd you do?
I don't know.
Did you thump your tooth or what?
I ran into the swing.
Smile for the camera. Man, that's quite a thump. It's not hurting, is it?
No, not really. More kind of
Sensitive?
sensitive.
Yeah, I hear you.
What do you think about the office?
It's clean. Saran wrap. And this is a comfy chair.
You don't feel those pulsations, but sometimes you can feel the cold, so that water you'll feel kind of throughout the mouth and stuff.
Hello, I'm Curtis and I'm 13.
And we are here to see Dr. Nick Yanez.
Yay.
Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's get to it.
Yay.
Let's fix it with a laser. What do you think?
Yay.
Yay.
I won't be a vampire.
Keeps things really dry. Open real big. Alright, so now we're going to come at you with the laser.
We're just going to make kind of a popping noise right at first.
Yeah, and there might be a little bit of water that gets, shot around, okay? Might let us scare you. That's the part that he broke out. You like it?
Yeah.
All right, bud. Let me see. Smile. There you go. With the laser.
No. I don't know. It was nice. Not hard. Didn't hurt.
Didn't hurt? How's your tooth feel? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Give me a high five.
Yeah.
Later. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, today was kind of fun. It didn't hurt as bad as I thought it would. And it's a nice, they're very nice people. And now my tooth is fixed. Yay, I'm not a vampire.